Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Festive season has just begun and I know you all are on the lookout for the most beautiful and elegant kurta sets that look really graceful, require minimal styling and are very easy to carry. So I've got just the perfect ones for you. These are all from Myntra, they are super affordable, they will make you look like a diva without breaking your bank. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We have this beautiful multicolored kurta set from Indus. It's priced at only rupees 2700 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. I love this kurta set. The colors used are so vibrant and they blend so beautifully together. This kurta set is made of silk, which is a perfect fabric for the festive outfits, and it comes with this organza dupatta in the magenta shade, which is lightweight and very easy to carry. If you are looking for bright and vibrant outfits for this festive season, this one's for you. The kurta is of this striking purple shade, which comes with this magenta dupatta, and the pants are in beautiful mustard shade. It has this golden floral embroidery around the yoke, the hem of the sleeves and the hem of the pants, which adds graceful shimmer to the look. Now this is an A-line kurta which has this round neck. It has regular sleeves. It's a calf length kurta which comes with straight leg trousers that are high waisted. They come with an elasticated waistband. This is such a beautiful piece and it's a little different from the regular kurta sets. The quality of fabric and the fit is on point and it justifies the price. Now let's talk about styling. I've paired it with these gorgeous white earrings which I got from Myntra, this ring, this bracelet, another bracelet, and my festive mirror work heels from Myntra. This outfit is perfect for grand celebrations. You can wear it for wedding occasions, for family functions. In fact, you can also style it for Diwali as well as for Ganesh Chaturthi. If you love wearing a lot of colors with intricate detailings, this one's for you. Now we have this really pretty black A-line kurta set from Bhama Couture. It's priced at only rupees 1900 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. I love the fit of this one. It has this relaxed fit, it gives you ample space to move around, and it's made of silk, a proper festive fabric which feels really soft. It's a 3-piece kurta set which comes with straight trousers, kurta and a dupatta. It's an A-line kurta which comes with this beautiful floral threadwork embroidery and this lace border detailing on the hem of the sleeves, and the pants just takes it to another level. It looks like a designer piece without the hefty price tag. It has this keyhole neckline, these long flared sleeves that are my favorite. It's a calf length kurta which comes with straight trousers that are high waisted. They come with an elasticated waistband, have the same lace border detailing as I mentioned, and they are super comfortable. It comes with this plain black dupatta which is made of chiffon, so it is super lightweight and easy to carry. I love black kurta sets, they look really graceful and chic. I've styled it with these gorgeous small jhumkas, my golden rings and my transparent heels. You can also style it with black heels or colorful juttis. It has this really beautiful threadwork detailing throughout the kurta, and this red on black looks really vibrant and striking. Since it's in black color, I think it's perfect for dinner parties, for Diwali parties, and you can also style it for light wedding occasions. Next we have this Anarkali style A-line kurta from Kushal K. It's priced at only rupees 1500 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. I love the flowy silhouette and it's made of rayon. It is a suitable fabric for the hot Indian weather. Now this is a simple Anarkali style kurta set which comes with this boat neck, these regular sleeves. It has this pleated detailing here to give it that A-line structure. It's a calf length kurta which comes with solid trousers in the same blue shade. They are high waisted with an elasticated waistband, and it also comes with the chiffon dupatta in the same blue shade that has this gorgeous golden tassel detailings. Now this has these really cute floral prints all over and this sequin zari detailing that adds that festive pop to it. I've styled it with these gorgeous ethnic studs, this string, 2 golden bracelets and my transparent heels. You can also style it with golden juttis or golden heels and tie your hair in a bun with a gajra for a more ethnic look. It's a decent kurta set which you can wear for light festive occasions, and you can also wear it for puja days. We have this beautiful tiered Anarkali set from Indus. It's priced at only rupees 1600 and I'm wearing it in a a size medium, but I would recommend you to go for a size up because the pants are a bit tight. Now this is a beautiful easy breezy tiered anarkali which looks really elegant and it's super comfortable. It has this flowy silhouette and the top fits beautifully. The pants, as mentioned, are a bit tight and you can go for a size up for that. Now this top is made of georgette and it comes with an inner lining, so it's not see-through at all. It comes with pants that are straight-legged, they're high-waisted with an elasticated waistband. Now it comes in this vibrant magenta which looks absolutely stunning in festive season. It's a very lightweight piece which is very easy to carry, and it comes with this striped floral embroidery which adds a really delicate touch to the look. It also has the sequence detailing which of course adds that festive glamour to it. Now if you are someone who likes wearing easy breezy outfits that don't cling to your body and give you ample space, this one's for you. I've styled it with these gorgeous multicolored earrings which complement the outfit really well, this golden bracelet, another golden bracelet, and these two rings. For footwear, I'm wearing mirror worked kolhapuris which I just got from Myntra for this festive season. I love how beautifully it flows and I'm pretty sure this color is going to look good on every single person. It's an affordable piece which looks really graceful and is very easy to style. You can wear this for Ganesh Chaturthi, for puja days, as well as for intimate family gatherings. We have this really vibrant red panelled A-line kurta set from Bhama Couture. It's priced at only rupees 1400 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. I love the fit. It looks so flattering. It has this comfortable relaxed fit which I absolutely love, and I prefer wearing loose fit outfits in summers or for festive occasions because they are very easy to carry. Now this one's made of silk blend. It's a proper festive fabric which looks really rich. It's priced very reasonably and looks really luxurious. It's an A-line kurta which has these panel detailings. It has a V-neck, these long flared sleeves. It's a calf length kurta which comes with solid red trousers and they are high-waisted with an elasticated waistband. It comes with this gorgeous ethnic motifs embroidery, but the main highlight of this kurta set is this gold toned lace border. It looks super elegant. It's present on the hem of the sleeves, the yoke of the neck, and the panel of the kurta. I've styled it with these gorgeous drop earrings, my rings, and transparent heels. You can also pair it with golden juttis or golden heels and you are good to go. Since it's in this striking red shade, it is perfect for puja days, for festive dinner parties, and you can even style it for small family functions. If you are looking for a girlish kurta set with beautiful design under a budget, this one's for you. Next we have this lime green anarkali style kurta set from Bhama Couture. It's priced at only rupees 1900 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. I love the lime green color and it has become really popular in festive fits. This one's made of silk blend, feels really soft. It's a lightweight premium fabric. The main highlight of this kurta set is this colorful floral prints that adds such an elegant touch to it, and it comes with this striking pink dupatta which blends with the lime green shade very beautifully. It's a loose fit Pakistani style kurta set which looks really classy. It comes with this V-neck, these flared sleeves that I absolutely love. It's a calf length kurta which comes with this panel detailing, and it also comes with straight trousers that are high-waisted with an elasticated waistband. It also has this pink lace border detailing around the hem of the sleeves and the yoke of the neck, also on this panel detailing. If you are looking for some vibrant kurta sets which you can wear for daytime functions, for garden parties, or for puja days, this one's for you. I've styled it with these gorgeous earrings and ring set which I got from Myntra, this bracelet, this ring, and my transparent heels. I think this will go really well with golden kolhapuris or even golden juttis. Bhama Couture's collection for this festive season is fab, and the quality of fabric that they use and the fit is outstanding. Next we have this really glamorous magenta anarkali style kurta set from Bhama Couture. It's priced at only rupees 1900 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. Again, it has this flowy silhouette that I absolutely love. It has relaxed fit, it's super comfortable and gives you ample space to move around in. It is a floral printed kurta set which has these beautiful pink, orange and green print that looks really vibrant, and it has this really pretty pattern on the sleeves that adds a really luxurious look to it. It's an anarkali style kurta which is made of chanderi silk, a festive fabric which looks really chic. Now this one also has this panel style. It has a V-neck, long flared sleeves. It's a calf length anarkali which comes with solid magenta trousers that are high waisted with an elasticated waistband, and the solid pink dupatta which is made of chiffon. I've styled it with these gorgeous jhumkas, my 2 rings and transparent heels. Now this is a proper festive kurta set which you can wear for family functions, for Diwali as well as for wedding occasions. It has this golden sequence detailing around the yoke, the hem of the sleeves, and you can style it with golden juttis to complement it. If you love wearing magenta and gold together, this one's for you. And that's it from today's haul. I hope you liked this video. I've shown you some really elegant, striking and vibrant festive kurta sets which will surely turn heads. These are all from Myntra. They are super affordable and they fit so beautifully. They literally look like designer pieces without the designer price tag. I've shown you how to style each piece, and of course you'll find all the links in the description box. So let me know in the comments which look was your favorite and how you would style it. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, hit the subscription button and the notification bell for more outfit inspiration, fashion hauls and styling tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay stylish, stay comfortable and stay you. Bye bye.